The work solution to Mechanical Science Sheet 7 question 3. So we're given a projectile and we're told to find out its initial angle of projection and its velocity. So we've been given its range and its time of flight. So if we divide the range by the time of flight, we can get its initial velocity in the x direction. And then we can use this equation, v equals uz plus at, and we can sort of rearrange it to find uz. One thing to be aware of when we rearrange this equation, we're assuming that v is equal to 0, and the t we use in this case isn't the regular t from before. It's not the time of flight, it's half the time of flight. And so basically you can figure out that if you have the velocity in the x direction and the velocity in the z direction, you can do both of them squared. Well, sorry, the square root of the sum of their squares, and that should give you the total velocity. So think of it as finding the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, and you've been given we've calculated the opposite and the adjacent sides, so we use them to find the hypotenuse. And you can find that angle by doing 10 to the minus 1 of the velocity in the z direction over the velocity in the x direction. So I'll just zoom out a bit so you can see that nicely.